I wanted to show you some new holiday cleaning postcards that we've been doing for you to be able to use for client postcards, for social media posts, and even newsletters. This is one of the biggest keys to a predictable, reliable, stable cleaning business. All of the most successful cleaning businesses I know market regularly to their past clients. If you're not doing this and you're wondering why business is up and down, especially right now, guys, this is super important right before Christmas, right after Christmas, when a lot of cleaning companies slow down. It's super important to get a hold of your past clients in all ways that you can. Postcards, texts, emails, right? And so we've got ways to help you do that. We've got postcards already created. We can even mail them for you. So let's get right into that. These are some of the new postcards that we've got. These are just holiday kind of wishes and, kind of funny things about Santa Claus coming in, reindeer coming in and getting carpet dirty. They kind of get the message that people and pets and this type of stuff just happens to happen during Christmas. So we've got several different options for these. These are just some new postcards. I'll show you some of the past year postcards in just a second. And we've got several different offers. Now, don't get bogged down with what the offers are. You can choose any offer you want. You can change it. You can use no offer, right? But the main point is I would recommend that you use some sort of an offer when you get a message to your past clients. So you do that, and you do that with a trifecta effect of sending a postcard, following it possibly with a text message would be ideal at some point in the next week or two after. Also an email newsletter with the same image, with the same message. Now, we also have the ability to take any of these images and you can take these and put them into your social media post, into your emails, that type of thing with the same exact message if you want. That's the best way to do marketing. It's really how you do a marketing campaign. So we've got several different options for these postcards, and these are kind of the prices. For coaching club members, we actually are brokers for some really big printers, and we pass that savings on to you and make next to nothing off of the printing for this and do this as a service for our coaching club members. So for the 4x6 inch versions, you can do those for as little as $1,000 for $68. For the larger postcards, which are pretty big 6x9 inch postcards, of course these are all full color, glossy, beautiful postcards, 1,000 of them for about $122. Right? So super cheap. You can't get that anywhere else, right? That's really just a coaching club member type of a offer for that type of printing. Now, also, we can have the printer mail these for you. We've got a couple of different options for mailing services, and it's around 55 cents per postcard per home, and that's provided you're mailing at least 1,000, and that includes printing, labeling, shipping, the whole thing, where you just give it to us and say, hey, do it, have the printer do it, and it'll be done. But we've got that option for you as well, so you can mail them yourself, or you can have the printer mail it if it's more convenient for you for really a reasonable amount of money. So also what I would recommend is sending text messages. We've got several different options for text messages as well. We've even got software to do the text messaging and the email for you. We've got email newsletter templates, and again, the software that we've got, the templates already in that software, or you can copy and paste it out of the coaching club information that we've got here. We've got some New Year's postcards coming out with different options. Here's one that we've had before. We've got some brand new ones coming out in the next week. So take a look at those. Several different options for neighborhood postcards for marketing to specific neighborhoods. Rug cleaning postcards. This is a great offer that we used to do in my own cleaning company, where we'd have a picture of me with Santa Claus cleaning and then a special rug cleaning offer for a free rug cleaning. Sometimes they were with conditions, sometimes they weren't. But the main thing is it kept our area rug cleaning shop full. When we would mail that right before Christmas, usually we would strategically mail it about a week before Christmas. So really, I can't stress enough that right now, right before Christmas, right after Christmas, some of the best times to market to your past clients more than anything else. And then especially into January with some of the best special offers that you're going to give all year, especially if you're predictable to be slower during those times. That's the best time to do that. Do the marketing to your past clients first, and then after that, if you've got marketing funds left over, think about marketing to new clients. That's what I'd recommend. That's what most marketing professionals are going to recommend. Your past clients, especially in the cleaning business, guys, are your gold mine. So I'm going to put the link to the coaching club below. We've got templates for all this. We even do the design for you once per month for any of these postcards that I'd showed you. We can customize these and then give them to you to be able to mail to your past clients yourself, or you can have the mailing service mail them for you if that's more convenient for you. Link below this video. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Have a happy holiday season. Have a happy holiday marketing season. Guys, you got to plan right now to stay busy. You got to plan your cleaning business. Talk soon.